Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make Instagram accounts no longer connected to Facebook. So if you have set your Instagram to be integrated with Facebook, you can undo that or unconnected that again. And I'm going to show you how. So first, go to your profile and click on the three lines icon at the top and go to settings, and here you need to go to the account center. So just click on this and click on the at the account settings section, click on accounts. Okay, so here is, as you can see, my Facebook account is connected to Instagram, and I'm going to unconnect that. So first you can just click on remove. Okay, and then remove this account from your account center and click on continue and remove. Okay, so now the Facebook account is no longer connected to Instagram. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.